Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. The US USDA WASDE report at 16 GMT. The French Consumer Price Index at 6:45 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Finland's current account at 5 GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 11 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street indexes rose, with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite marking closing record highs as investors shrugged off President Donald Trump's latest tariff moves, while investors were encouraged by an upbeat forecast from Delta Airlines. The Bitcoin price hit new highs as a stablecoin liquidity metric pointed to fresh capital flowing into BTC. Retail investor inflows dropped, while Binance's market share surged past 49%, highlighting institutional investors' role in driving the rally. The US dollar rose against major currencies, including the euro and the Swiss franc, as currency markets largely shrugged off President Donald Trump's latest tariff missives, except in Brazil, where a threatened 50% levy sent the real sliding.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.4% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.